Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, this is one of the nicest, not just say this, Volvo XC60s, or one of the nicest used cars we have ever seen. Okay, Volvo XC60 2.4 D5 SE Lux nav, Geartronic automatic, all-wheel drive, so it's 2.4 diesel. Now this car went to Polestar when it was new, which is Volvo's tuning arm, and remapped. It has covered 67,000 miles. It is £12,989. It has had the cam belt replaced at 54,000 miles, and it has 8 services, most of them by the Volvo main dealer. Just lovely spec and just a beautiful original example that has been well looked after. Lots of money spent on it. You can probably see the Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round that are like new. The upgraded alloy wheels, mud flaps, tow bar. You can see the rear park sensors there. 13-pin removable tow bar with the key. Polestar engineered badge on the back. Power tailgate. Okay, cream leather. Now those aren't standard SE Lux nav wheels, they are an upgrade. The Pirelli tyres are brand new, all 4 of them, the Scorpions. Super clean inside and out. Just been cherished, this vehicle. Heated seats, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Now down there, look, in front of the gear lever, bliss, blind spot monitoring. The next one is forward alert, lane departure warning, and your parking. There's your sat nav. Comes with 2 keys, 2 remote keys in lovely condition. Obviously, now this has got lock on cruise control as it has the forward alert, so it will lock onto the vehicle in front. A lot of nice expensive extras. When this car is gone, it is gone. We do not get cars in this condition, this history and this spec very often. Fitted mats inside, fitted mud flaps, space saver spare wheel, power tailgate. Obviously the load cover is in there. Had a Volvo boot liner in from new. It's like new underneath there. I can't lift it up without taking that out, but there is a space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, all in there. And we do have a key to remove the tow bar if you want to take it off. It's a Brink, well actually it's an Alco tow bar, 13-pin. It says Alco on it anyway. Wheels, all 4 of them, immaculate. Another Pirelli Scorpion tyre with light new tread. Another one, wheel, lovely, new Pirelli tyre, not stone chipped. Give away that it's got the lock on cruise control. All those cameras in the windscreen for the forward alert, lock on cruise, etc. Super clean, bliss, blind spot monitoring. That's what lights up when a car comes alongside you. Stop you pulling out in front. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, just mint everywhere you look. Electric tailgate release, electronic handbrake, petrol flat release, lovely leather steering wheel, buttons for your lock on cruise, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. Electric memory driver's seat. £12,989. When it's gone, it's gone. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Volvo XC60s in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos. You can thumb through those. Right. If you would like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.